Hello, fellow biochemistry classmates. My name is Angela Smith. I live in Raymond, Maine. I've been in Maine my whole adult life. Um, and I am a registered nurse at Maine Medical Center. I started in the ER, went to ICU and pediatric ICU, and did a period of time with the Life Flight of Maine, which was amazing. I loved it. Um, I started my interest in the medical field as a paramedic back before I became a registered nurse. I am taking biochemistry as a prerequisite for CRNA school. And for hobbies, I like to go hiking, I like to read, and do a number of things with my grandchildren. My daughter is out of the house, and I have two grandchildren that I take at every opportunity. And then I have a dog that um, is a shepherd mix who has claimed me as her person and follows me everywhere. And that really is about it. Um, I hope that you all do great in this course, and I'm hoping I do great in this course, and I look forward to meeting all of you, albeit online. All right, take care and have a good night. Thank you.